Hello everyone. So in the last video, we have solved percentage of users attended a contest, which was 18th question of our SQL 50 series. So in this video, we are going to solve queries, qualities, and the percentage. Okay. So in this question, we are given a table queries. So it says that this table may have duplicate rows, and this table contain information collected from some queries on a database. The position column has a value from 1 to 500, and the ratings column has a value from 1 to 5, and the queries with rating less than 3 is a poor query. And below that we are also given some parameters that we define a query quality as the average of, first thing is the average, and the next thing is the ratio between query rating and disposition. So it's the average of ratio between query rating and its position. And then there is another parameter, that is poor query percentage, which is the percentage of all the queries with rating less than 3. Okay, so we have to write a solution to find for each query name its quality and the poor query percentage. Both the quality and poor query percentage should be rounded to two decimal places. Return the result in any order. So let's see an example. So in this example, we have two queries. The query first one is dog and the second one is cat. So this is the result, their position and their rating. So what we are asked is, for each query, that is dog and cat, we have to find the quality, and the quality is average of ratio between query rating and its position. So rating is 5 and position is this. So first we have to find the ratio between what query rating and its position. So 5 by 1 plus 5 by 2 and then 1 by 200. So this will be the ratio, and then this ratio, for all these ratios we have to add them and get the average. So average will be 5. So the average will be 5 divided by 1. Let me check. So it will be query rating over position. So 5 by 1, 5 by 2 and 1 by 200. Add all these and divide by 3. So we'll get the quality. And then poor query percentage. So the percentage of all the queries with rating less than 3. So with rating less than 3 is, we have a single query in case of dog. So it will be 1 by 3 multiplied by 100. And in case of the cat, we have only this query which is less than 3. So we again have 1 by 3. So in this case, the poor query percentage will be same in both the cases. So let me write the query first so that we can understand it better. So let me select everything first. Select star from queries table, queries. Now what we want is, we want for each query, that is, we have to group these three into single entry and these three into single entry. So the next thing is grouping. So we have to group by query name. And when we group these, for example, these three entries into a single entry, we'll get query name, and in the result set we want query name. So the first thing we need is query name, and after that we want quality. Okay, so to get the quality, we have to calculate average of ratio between rating and its position. So rating and its position. So this will be the quality of the query. So the next thing that we need is poor query percentage. So to get the poor query percentage, we have to get all the queries with rating less than 3. So for example, in these three sets, in case of the query dog, we have a single entry with the rating less than 3. So the percentage will be 1 by 3, 1 by 3 multiply 100, right? So the percentage will be sum of all the queries, right? Since we have grouped by query name, in a single group we have all these three, and in the next group we have all these threes. So in this group we want all the queries with rating less than 3. So sum of all the queries with rating less than 3. So when the query is processing this group, So we'll have something like this, that is sum of rating less than 3. So rating is 5, so in this case it will be false. So false is 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 1, so it is 1. And we divide it by total in this group, that is count of all the queries in this group. So this is our resulting query. Now it is also said that we want quality and the poor query percentage rounded to 2 decimal places, and for that we have another function, that is round to 2 decimal places, and then we have to round the percentage to 2 decimal places, and to get the percent we have to multiply it by 100. And for the quality as well, no, for quality we don't need the percentage, we need only average of ratio of rating over position. So let's see if the test case is passing or not. Okay, so we don't have query name, it is query name. Okay, rounded to 2 decimal place, we forgot to write 2 here. Okay, so our test case has been passed. Now let's try to submit this and see if all the test cases are passed or not. Okay, so all the test case has been passed.